Hey guys, welcome back to another video about the 10x income system. And today I'm going to be explaining why it's going to be so easy to promote, guys. Um, in this video, I'm going to be explaining why it's going to be so easy to promote on YouTube and to get some good traction with this because the competition is very low. So I'm going to scroll down and we're going to see some other people's videos, guys. Um, as of right now, this guy has the most views on a 10x video, and it's not much. It's only 844 views, guys. So it's definitely not much, and he's posted a month ago. So he's actually not even very active on YouTube, guys. You know, so this is a competition you'll be going up against, and I think there's this misconception that you need to have like thousands and thousands of views to be successful promoting something, but that's actually not true. There are people on here who are, doing YouTube, like this lady right here, who has gotten sales promoting, literally just with like a few views on her video, guys. As long as you are being genuine and honest about your experience, without being like salesy or anything like that, it is possible to be successful, guys, and it's actually very easy. Okay, so yeah, this is her video. I don't know this lady personally. She's just another member, who is inside of the group. Yeah, she's got like 9 likes, 249 subscribers. I think she's been on here for a while, but I don't think she's really posting consistently, guys. But it's actually very, very easy to promote. Okay. All right. All right. So let's go back and look at some more videos. So as you can see, this one's 2 weeks old, a week old, a week, 18 hours. Okay, so maybe she is active, but she only has 67 views on this video, guys. And can you get more than 67 views on your video? Sure you can. It's very easy, even for new YouTubers, guys. Because I'm a new YouTuber, I only been posting for a couple of days, and I'm starting to get some traction on my videos. So that's definitely pretty good, pretty cool. All right, guys. So it's very, very easy. As I scroll down, it's getting into different types of subjects because there's actually not many people who are promoting this at the moment, guys. Which means it's free game. It's free game, to be honest. This is a good time to get started and make your own channel about the 10x system if you are already promoting it, guys. Maybe it was a bad idea to make a video about this because I could have had the YouTube algorithm all to myself promoting this subject, guys. But hey, I'm here to review the 10x income system and give my honest opinion about it, guys, and tips for the rest of you who are watching. All right. So stay tuned for the next video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys, for future content about me reviewing the 10x income system and providing tips and tricks and more information about my entrepreneurial journey, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. All right. See y'all later.